نفس إن لم تغفري
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
What should we do when someone insults the Prophet ﷺ? This depends. If you are in a Muslim country, this is a major offense that requires the intervention of the Muslim ruler. So you simply report this individual to the court or to the Muslim ruler, and it is the duty of the Muslim ruler to execute after going through legislative processes and going in front of a panel of judges, and this is done in Muslim countries. The honor of the Prophet ﷺ is way more important than anything else. So in Muslim countries, this is a cardinal sin. This is a capital offense that has to be addressed by the Muslim court system. And usually after interrogation, after all the dealings have been done, they give the verdict of executing this person who offended the Prophet ﷺ. If you are not in a Muslim country, or if you are in a country that does not rule by Islam, or if you are in a disbelieving country, a kafir country, in this case you have nothing to do but to leave. Either you defend the Prophet ﷺ with rhetoric and explain to that individual that what he's doing is wrong, and you explain that to him. But if he is an abusive person, he doesn't want you to defend the Prophet, he doesn't want to learn or to listen, rather he wants to insult you. So you have to leave this place and boycott that person and warn others from him. You must not take matters into your own hands, because this would turn the community into a jungle where everybody talks with someone, ends up shooting him. And when asked, he said he cursed the Prophet ﷺ. Oh, that's easy. So anyone I want to assassinate or kill, I just say that he cursed the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ, no matter how much they depict him in offensive and heinous drawings or ridicule of him, nothing would touch him. Not even this close. Imagine these imbeciles who cursed or depicted the Prophet ﷺ in drawings. Who are they? They're nothing. Who remembers their names, or whoever mentioned their names? No one. Allah said in the Quran, "Inna shani'aka huwa al-abtar." The one who hates you, O Muhammad, is the one who will be cut from being mentioned or from being ever remembered. The name of the Prophet ﷺ is mentioned 24 hours, 7 days a week, all over the globe. There is no single yard or meter or foot or inch where you will not find the name of the Prophet ﷺ mentioned. Listen to the adhan being called 5 times a day, the iqamah being called 5 times a day, and every time you will hear the name of the Prophet ﷺ mentioned, and billions of people offering salutation upon him. Do you think that a French frog would come at the end of the day and insult our Prophet ﷺ? No, they can't. So be proud of your religion, akhi, but don't be provoked to do something that would backfire on Islam and the Muslims. They insult the Prophet ﷺ. If they want to dialogue, yeah, we can talk about it. But if they don't, and they just simply want to insult, leave and go. Let them bark as they wish. They're not going to harm no one but themselves, and Allah knows best.